that you conduct yourself peacefully, and that we have received the letter that you just brought to the ministry, and that the letter is receiving the necessary attention. As explained by your representative, my PAMSEC got in touch with the Honorable Minister who is away, and that the Honorable Minister expressed his sorrow and sadness for what has happened, and he is cutting short his own agreed that as soon as he's in the office, your representative are to be invited for a meeting tomorrow by 12 noon, and that these issues that have been raised in your letter will be addressed. So we want to thank you all for being orderly and respecting yourself, and this is the way it should be in Nigeria. We are expected to be here to serve other people. We are not here to only serve ourselves, but we are your own servants as are here. And it is incumbent upon us to actually do what you people want us to do. So we are looking at your petition, and definitely, but God's willing, by tomorrow, when we meet, these issues will be discussed and it will be resolved amicably. Thank you very much for coming.
You are a leader. You are a leader. You are. Civil rights activists against impunity demands urgent intervention over unjust diversion of coastal highway alignment. We have come all the way to register our displeasure with the Honorable Minister of Works in respect of the FDIs whose properties has been affected on that axis. And so our demands are clear. First, that the sudden diversion of the coastal road route affected many who were not compensated but merely dislodged heartlessly. Secondly, that those said to have been compensated were meagerly paid, and they should be rightly compensated. Thirdly, that others with some pieces of land remaining after the realignment took part should be allowed to use their leftover lands. 4, that the Minister of Works, Dave Umahi, should desist from using soldiers to harassing citizens. Rather, for the fact that he's a civilian minister under a civilian government, he should not use the military against the people. 5, we demand immediate release of Ola Obanla. Ola Obanla is a security personnel that is watching over Wim's property, who was adopted about months ago. Until date, we are yet to see him. We are demanding for his unconditional release wherever he is. He was adopted by the soldiers attached to the Honorable Minister. Lastly, an urgent need to convoke a meeting with the affected FDIs in order to give room for equity and fairness. And to be honest, today we have been assured that the Honorable Minister has agreed to engage stakeholders in a meeting tomorrow, hopefully by 12 noon tomorrow. We'll be engaging him and we shall be able to resolve all issue concerned. Also here with me is a lawyer representing FDI. Thank you. I remain Comrade Declan in Hekairi.
The Honorable Minister had also shown a fatherly role today, and we are hopeful that tomorrow, in tomorrow's meeting, we'll be able to resolve things amicably that will lead to even filing a terms of consent in the matter that is currently before the High Court. So far, so good. I can say today's outing is a productive one. It shows that our Honorable Minister, Engineer David Umahi, is listening, is a listening minister, and we just hope, because there is a maxim that says that the end justifies the means. We look forward to the results of tomorrow's meeting to ascertain whether the Minister of Works and Housing will be truly a listening father. But personally, with what I have seen in today's meeting, in today's conversation, I believe that the Minister, the meeting for tomorrow is going to be productive. Once again, I sincerely want to appreciate virtually all the members of the coalition unit who have joined us in today's protest. I thank you for maintaining orderliness and peace throughout our